Welcome back to my channel. I finally have my decorations up. The 5,000 wasps in my attic did not win and my trees are up. So if you've seen last week's video, I explained that when me and my brother went up to the attic, we found a wasp nest. An active wasp, I can't say wasps, wasp nest. And I had to get a professional out to have a look at it, and all I really wanted was my Christmas trees and decorations. But as you can see behind me, I do have a tree. So as promised, this week's video is going to be a decorate with me video. I came into a couple of obstacles, a couple of baubles may have got left behind up there, but I'm happy with how we've turned out. This is going to be one of them videos where I think you should just pop the kettle on. I hope it's super cozy and festive, and I hope you like it, and I'll be back for the chats after. We are wasp free. I had a little rummage in the boxes and wasp free. This is the tree for downstairs and some garlands, some more garlands and some wreaths. And then out here I have another box which there was one wasp in, but all is good now and fingers crossed. So now I need to rearrange here. I need to take this cabinet out and put it over here, take away the last of the pumpkins, and the small tree that is under the bed is gonna go here. So Blondie, we left baubles up in the attic. So I've got a bag of baubles here, but these are for the main tree. And I have some stuff here, but again for the main tree. But I'm gonna just use what I have because we can't annoy my brother to get back up into the attic. So, me and Pepsi and Blondie, where are you, Pepsi? There she is. I've come home from work. It is now Wednesday. There was a slight delay between Sunday and Wednesday with getting the other tree up. Put the other tree up last night and remembered that I have no baubles. So, I was about to say me and Pepsi have to go to Home Sense. No, we don't. Cat's not allowed. So I'm missing a box of baubles and they're in the attic. The issue with the wasps, I'm not gonna hound my brother again to get them. I have the little flowers and stuff for the tree. I'm just missing things to make it a bit more fuller, and I use the ribbon upstairs. So I'm literally giving myself max €50 budget. I'm just gonna get some baubles in the colour that I like. I have some of the sentimental baubles to stick on, and I'm just gonna get some ribbon and things to fill it up, and then I'm done. I have the mantelpiece done, have everything almost done. So let's get some stuff and then dress this tree, the living room tree. So I'm back from the shops and there was absolutely nothing to buy, and guess what I got? I couldn't get ribbon, so I got tinsel instead, and Blondie is pulling out as I speak. I forgot Blondie has a thing for tinsel, and in my head I visioned this tree being like the one upstairs, full of ribbon and texture and beautiful, but I couldn't find that. So I got like poundland baubles and tinsel. I do have some of the cute little flowers I got when me and Karen went Christmas decor shopping. So we can just make this tree look as good. But I don't think it's going to be as nice as upstairs, but sure, look. Let's get decorating. I love the idea of all the little flowers in the tree. I'm kind of raging I didn't buy more of these little flowers, because I kind of think you could use them all the time. I've put the big ones in. I don't know if you can see the larger flowers, and then I'm hoping putting some of these in will make it a bit more floral, seeing as I don't have any ribbon. I can get ribbon again, but I'm gonna pop these in next. I will get some shots of my tree in daylight because I think it can be hard to tell on camera, but it's super twinkly. You know what I'm actually gonna do now? I hope it's still on Netflix, but I'm gonna watch Love Actually because I'm super tired today after being at work, and I feel really cozy in the living room having all of the twinkles, so I think I'm gonna watch Love Actually. I don't know if The Holiday is on Netflix. It was last year. I hate the way they change it. I'm gonna watch either of those two. They are my total favourite. What is your favourite Christmas movie? I think I asked that last year, but give me your Christmas movie recommendations because I'm gonna have a cup of tea and watch some Christmas movies. I think that's what I'm gonna do this evening. I have a load of work to do for the sewing course launch on Sunday, but sometimes you need to just rest and watch a Christmas movie, which is what I'm gonna do. So that is how I'm kind of set up and looking this Christmas. It's super cozy when you come home from work and you can put all the twinkly lights on and you just feel super festive. All I want to do is watch cute movies though. It's not good for productivity because when I come home I just want to watch like cozy movies and drink hot chocolate and tea. Announcement time for the people who signed up for interest for the sewing course. You guys are going to get an email on Sunday with all of the details of the sewing course because you guys have first access to it. I'm super excited. This week I had people testing the course out. It was really important for me to get people to test it. If you hear that noise, Blondie is running around with, I think it's a bauble. I don't know what it is, but that noise was Blondie. But yes, it was really important that I got people to test it out this week because I want to make sure that it runs smoothly. So from checkout to email to the actual learning dashboard itself, everything is going smoothly and it's looking really good. And I've had some really good feedback as well from the people who've been testing it out. So your last chance to sign up for email interest is now. I'll pop a link. So on Sunday morning, Irish time, you'll get an email in your inbox with all of the details on the course. All the details on pricing, what's included, all of that good stuff. And yeah, happy sewing. If you guys have been like looking forward to it, I hope you really enjoy it and that it's of value to you. So that's me for this week. If you are new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button because I was looking at the analytics and almost 70% of people watching my videos are not actually subscribed, and that would make a massive difference to my channel if you hit the sub button. Almost at the 100k mark, which is crazy to even think that 100,000 people would even want to watch a video each week, but however. Anyway, that is me for this week and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye everyone.